pollution. Hi, good morning to all my friends and our lecturer, Madam Sharifah Apinda. My name is Muhammad Sanny Ahmad. My matric number 20208.
Hi,
I am a student science of forestry.
hi, my name is Muhammad Rusydi Ismail. My matrix number is 2030999. I'm from student from forestry. So let we start. The source and effect of water pollution. Next slide. So what is water pollution? The World Health Organization (WHO) says that polluted water is a water whose composition has been changed to the extent that is unusable. In other words, it is toxic water that cannot be drunk or used for essential purpose like agriculture and which is cause disease like diarrhea. The main water pollution include bacteria, virus, pesticide, fertilizer, nitrate, phosphorate, plastic, and even radioactive substance. These substances do not always change the color of water, meaning that they are often invisible pollution. That's why small amount of water and aquatic organism are tested to determine water quality. Next slide. So this is the first of source of water pollution, which is industrial waste. Industries produce a tremendous amount of waste, which is contain toxic chemical and pollution, cause air pollution and damage to our environment and us. They contain harmful chemical including lead, mercury, sulfur, nitrate, asbestos, and etc. Many industries are not have a proper waste management system, drain the waste in the freshwater, which goes into canals, rivers, and later into the seas. The toxic chemical may change the color of water, increase the number of mineral called intoxication, change the temperature of water, and pose a self hazard to water organism. Next slide. So the second source of water pollution is marine dumping. The garbage produced by household in the form of paper, plastic, food, aluminium, rubber, glass is collected and dumped into the sea in some countries. This item take 2 weeks to 200 years to decompose. When such things enter the sea, they not only cause water pollution but also harm animals in the sea. The waste that are dumped into the ocean tend to have a toxic substance which suck in all organic oxygen. This lead to market depletion of oxygen available to mammals and other fishes, causing them to die in their natural habitat.
Firstly, in an aquatic ecosystem, most animals are trapped or choking. This is because the plastic will break down into the smaller pieces according to the ocean plastic. And beside that, according to the United Nations, at least 800 species worldwide are affected by marine debris and rubbish. So actually, the water pollution truly can harm the aquatic ecosystem. This is because the toxic chemical can change the color of water, and that is can increase the amount of a mineral, which is has a bad impact on aquatic ecosystem in water. And as your information, most of the aquatic organism are very sensitive to any variation in the environment. So they will respond to any pollution by different way. Then the most drastic response is represented in that to any other habitats. And then what I read from the journal, the research indicate that half of the sea turtle worldwide test the plastic. So we proceed to the next slide. For now, I will explain for the effect on human. Effect on human pollution. For example, if you to try drinking unrated water nowadays, your body will immediately react it, and then will get a stomach ache. According to our FG, drinking untreated sewage water can cause 40,000 people death per day in a developing country. And then a lot of disease can come from drinking contaminated water. For example, can get a disease such as diarrhea, cholera, and skin infection. In other words, water pollution carry agents such as bacteria and virus into the surface and groundwater. And then the chemical in the water also have a negative effect on body health, such as have a negative effect such as like a cancer, and also it can damage the nervous system. And it's obviously the water pollution can cause many disease and have a many negative effect, and it a major global problem now. Now I will make the conclusion. In conclusion, water pollution is a global issue, major source and water pollution. In conclusion, water pollution is a global issue. Major source of water pollution are marine dumping and agricultural waste. And then bacteria and parasite disease spread through water and affecting human health. It recommended there must be proper waste disposal, entering into river, and then education and awareness program must be organized to control the pollution. And that's all from me for the pollution. Thank you.
Thank you.